Amitabh Bachchan is an inspiration to many new aspiring actors for his mastery over his craft. But on a personal level as well, he's been inspiring all of us with his discipline, with his openness to social media and new technology, and for being the first Bollywood big mega star to transition so quickly and so smoothly to other media platforms like television and now OTT platforms. लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर भी उन्होंने हमें बहुत इंस्पायर किया है by being associated with different social initiatives, and recently with his blog post where he writes that even at this age now he is learning new life lessons and is realizing his many blessings which he hadn't paused before to think about it. जिंदगी में हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने का मौका मिलता है, and who better to know this than Amitabh Bachchan. The veteran actor may be 78, but he is one of the youngest celebs at heart, especially when it comes to his enthusiasm for social media and zest for life. Amit ji is definitely very cool, लेकिन इतने सालों के अनुभव ने उन्हें बहुत ही thoughtful और introspective भी बनाया है. The Shahenshah of Bollywood is at home with his son and daughter, their kids and star bahu Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. But has been very productive during this lockdown, becoming a part of awareness-generating videos, music videos and sharing messages of positivity and hope.
Social distancing यानी सामाजिक दूरी, समाज से दूरी बनाए रखें और केवल किसी आपातकालीन स्थिति हो या किसी इमरजेंसी हो तभी आप घर से बाहर निकलें या चाहें.
Amit ji, who religiously writes blog posts every day for years now, tweeted to declare he has learnt more about life during the ongoing lockdown than he did in years he spent. Amit ji लिखते हैं, इस लॉकडाउन की काल में जितना मैं सीखा, समझा और जाना, उतना मैं अपने 78 वर्षों के जीवन काल में ना सीख सका, ना समझ सका और ना ही जान सका. इस सच्चाई को व्यक्त करना इसी सीख, समझ और जानने का परिणाम है. Sharing his insights, which are life lessons for us, Amit ji writes, there really is so much to do, which we never did on our own. But how wonderful to be able to do it now. A sense of knowing where and how everything functions in the home. Instead of leaving to hired staff, clean up the room, the bathroom, the work area, do the laundry, the essentials, all to do. It's such a joy, and most importantly, you get to know what the staff and the hire was going through when they were doing the work that you are doing now, and appreciate their effort and hours of work. Every day is a learning. Each day is a new awakening. Hats off to you, Amit ji. You have managed to find a silver lining even in this dark cloud, and even while all of us struggle with chores we haven't done before. आपके ये विचार आपके सारे फैंस को सोचने पर मजबूर करेंगे, and maybe we too will emerge more grateful and thankful for every privilege life has given us.